A rapid means of producing soft tooling for low-pressure molding involves the use of room temperature vulcanized or RTV silicone materials. These RTV silicones are the preferred materials since they do not require special equipment for curing. In general, RTV tooling production begins by using a prepared rapid prototyped model as a pattern. Development of the first mold half begins by securing the pattern in oil-based clay or other building materials and constructing the parting line. Once done, the pattern is then secured in a box or frame. Silicone RTV molding material is then poured around the pattern and allowed to cure. Typically, it is necessary to apply a vacuum to either the RTV molding material before pouring or the tooling assembly after pouring to remove air bubbles from the molding material during curing. Once the silicone has cured, the box is removed, and the mold half and pattern are prepared for the pouring of the second mold half. This preparation can include a release agent coating to ensure separation of the mold halves, and the inclusion of a gate for injection, and venting to allow air in the mold to escape during the injection. Once prepared, the second mold half is poured and allowed to cure. Once entirely cured, the mold halves are separated along the parting line. The pattern is removed and the mold is prepared for use. RTV tooling can be used to mold small to medium quantities of parts out of a large variety of urethane, epoxy, or other polymer materials. RTV tooling can typically be used to mold several parts before replacement becomes necessary. The number of parts produced depends on accuracy and finish requirements and the complexity of the part geometry. Dozens of simple parts can be produced from a single silicone rubber mold, but 10 to 20 is typical if the parts are more complex. Wear of the mold occurs due to the exothermic and reactive nature of the molding materials, and because of the necessity to mechanically deform the mold to remove parts.